Okay, so our topic for today is all about synthetic division. So what is synthetic division? Synthetic division is a process that makes use of numerical coefficients and dividing polynomials in which divisor is in the form of x minus a. Let's look at how to do this using the example. So our example is 5x raised to the power of 4 minus 4x squared plus x plus 6 divide x minus 3. So in order to use synthetic division, these two things must happen. So steps number one, there must be a coefficient for every possible power of the variable. So second step is the divisor must have a leading coefficient of 1. Step 1. So write the terms of the polynomial so the degrees are in descending order. So since our given is 5x raised to the power of 4 minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. So since descending order man siya, so ni shortcut ra siya. So 5x raised to the power 4 nga largo siya og minus 4x squared. So ato siyang sumpayan. So, since the numerator does not contain all the powers of x, you must include 0 for the x cube. So since sa x cube is imo siyang sumpayan ra og 0 para ma-apply ang degrees in descending order. So next step number 2. So write the constant a of the divisor. So x minus a to the left and write down the coefficient. So since the divisor is equals to x minus 3, then a equals 3. So let's transpose 3 to the right side. So may tabo na sa x equals a. So kung pila si a is 3 man, so x equals 3. So meaning si a is equals to 3. So ato siyang kuhaon ang coefficient every write down na to ang coefficient every number sa polynomial. So since atong a is 3, so 3. So 5x raised to the power of 4, ang atong coefficient is 5. 0, x raised to the power of 3, so atong coefficient is 0. So negative 4x squared, so atong coefficient is negative 4. Plus x, so atong coefficient is 1. Plus 6, so copy ra nimo ang 6. So steps number 3. So bring down the first coefficient 5. So first nimong steps ng button is imo siyang i-bring down ang 5. So let's have a 5. Then step number 4 is multiply the first coefficient by r 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. So write down 15 under below the 0. So step number 5. After multiplying in the diagonals, add the column. So since imo siyang i-add ang every column. So 0 plus 15 equals 15. Step number 6. Multiply the sum 15 by 15 and replace this number under the next coefficient, then add the column again. So 15 times 3 equals 45. Then negative 4 plus 45 is equals to 41. So then multiply the diagonals, add the columns. So imo siyang i-multiply ang diagonals, then imo siyang i-add ang column. Like for example, 41 times 3, so pila may answer? 41 times 3 is equals to 1, 2, 3. So every column imo siya i-add. So 1 times 123 is equals to 124. Then 124 times 3 is equals to 372. Then 6 plus 372 is equals to 378. So the numbers along the bottom coefficient of the power of x and descending order starting with the power that is 1 less than that of the dividend. So the quotient is 5x cubed plus 15x squared plus 41x plus 124 plus 378 over x minus 3. So ang kining last 378 is mao ni siya ang remainder. I-over mo sa x minus 3. So mao na siya ang final answer. Remember to place the remainder over the divisor. So ang giingon diri is i-place nimo ang remainder over divisor. So remainder over the divisor. So ang atong remainder is 378 over unsa matang divisor. So ang divisor na to is x minus 3. So that's why 378 over x minus 3. Digital tools used for synthetic division. So number one example is Mathway. So it handles polynomials. Then how it works? So probably it works. First is you are going to search mathway.com or open the app of a Mathway. So next is select algebra, then polynomials and rational expressions, synthetic division. Then type the problem and it shows the steps and show the solutions of the problem that you want to solve.